Hi class, welcome to How to Provide 10-Star Customer Service. My name is Victoria Jones and I'm your instructor. If you want to know a little bit more about me, you can definitely view the instructor page through the course website. But let's move on into the actual course. What you'll learn. You'll learn how to assist customers based off of their personality type to ensure a great call, and how to handle irate and easy customers. Customer service can be intimidating to some people because you know that you're going to have to deal with difficult people, but in this course, you'll learn how to handle both irate and easy customers with ease. How you'll learn it? Through multimedia learning materials. So I have a few YouTube videos, PDF files, PowerPoints, and even an interactive Prezi presentation. Here I have two screenshots of two YouTube videos that you'll view in week 2 on strategies on how to deal with those angry and difficult customers. How you'll demonstrate it. We'll have an open note quiz. Like I said, open note, so no stress there. Discussion forums where you can have a conversation with your peers and the instructor. This way we can get a sense of community in our class. We're all working towards the same goal, so why not talk about it? You'll have a reflections as well as a matching activity. And I'd like to show you a little bit about that activity now. You'll take a regular PowerPoint presentation that's downloadable from the course, and this is discussing the steps of the call flow. So each step that applies, or each statement that applies to these steps, you'll slide down to say that you agree that these statements apply to this step. Once you're done, you'll hit submit and send it right to me. Real easy. And then lastly, putting it all together, your final activity will be a peer role play. And this is a screenshot of the tool that we'll use called Collaborate. It's built inside of our course shell. So I'm excited to work with you guys this next 2 weeks, and I look forward to it.